Okay, Amy, we're just going to go ahead and ask you a few questions about your care here before you go ahead and get adjusted today. What was your life like before you started coming to this office and getting adjusted?
Before, I would live week to week hoping I wouldn't get headaches. I would get headaches at least 3 to 4 times per week. I constantly have allergy, sinus problems, asthma, and then I even also have stomach problems. And being 35 years old, I shouldn't be diagnosed with issues of this magnitude, and constantly being on migraine medicine that wasn't working, being on various acid reflux medication that wasn't helping my stomach, and pretty much, it wasn't major problems, but still it was problems to where it was interfering in my day-to-day life, to where I could not function with having a headache, going into work and working full-time, and then having a 1-year-old son trying to manage. It was very difficult.
Now, how long have you been coming to the office?
I've been coming to the office now for approximately 3.5 months.
Okay, and what differences have you seen in your health since you've been coming to the office?
You know, it's funny that you asked that question, because ever since I've been coming here, and I'll tell everyone out there, I wasn't one for, oh, let's go to the chiropractor and see if that gets fixed. Well, whenever you're on various medications and nothing was working, all the migraine medicine wasn't working for my headaches, since I've been coming here, I have a headache maybe once a month. And then, of course, I'm coming in for preventative care now in order to help minimize and hopefully even stop the headaches. I no longer have stomach problems. And I can say in all truthfulness that it's because of coming into this office and being adjusted. And for those folks out there that don't believe chiropractic care doesn't work, that, oh, it's just an adjustment and you're getting your back cracked, it's anything but that.
Well, that's true for sure. Now, what do you see yourself accomplishing better in the future now that you've been under care for, a few months, and you see a big difference in your health? What do you think you can accomplish better in your life?
To me, I think sky is the limit. Being 35 years old, I am full of life. Like I said, I have a 1-year-old son. I will be able to get out there, and once he gets older, be able to go to his baseball games, his football games. I can actually get myself back into the gym and work out, and I've been doing that because, guess what? I no longer have the headaches or the stomach problems that I had before.
Well, that's fantastic. Speaking of your little one, he comes in here to get adjusted also. I wish he was here today, but since he's not, just give us a brief overview on how he's been doing and what his issues were before he came into the office.
Before we came into the office, my son, in a matter of 3 months, had been diagnosed with 5 ear infections, and that had been his primary focus of health issues. And now that he's come into the office, he's been coming here just as often as what I have been for 3.5 months, and guess what? He no longer has ear infections, and I had an ENT validate this, that his ears have been cleared on the past 2 visits. He was on the verge, literally back in May, of getting tubes put into his ears, and thanks to coming to Dr. Fanning, he doesn't have tubes in his ears, and I really hope and pray that the continued care will obviously facilitate this and continue him on a lifelong wellness program here at this office.
Well, we love having you guys come in, and we hope you continue your wellness care at the office. Thank you so much, Amy.
Thank you.